How to fix backup failures in Geometry Dash. Geometry Dash's cloud backup system allows players to sync their progress across multiple devices, but sometimes the backup can fail. So here are the steps you can take to fix this. First, delete unnecessary levels. The cloud backup has a file size limit, and exceeding it can cause issues with syncing. Second, you could refresh your login. Refreshing your Geometry Dash account might help fix the backup error. Open the Manage Account menu through the Settings, Account, then More Options. Select Refresh Login to update your account information. Third, force a backup. If the problem persists, repeatedly clicking the Save button might force a backup. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix the backup failed error in Geometry Dash, making sure that your progress syncs seamlessly between your devices.